Pam says that she does not snore. I'm going to try to use this opportunity to create evidence that will tell her otherwise. I'm going up the stairs, it's dark. I'm going to turn on a light. It'll be out in the hall. I won't turn on more of a light. If you can hear that sound, it's Pam.
What?
Oh, nothing.
What are you doing?
Making a video to demonstrate that you do snore.
Right, John, come on, John. I'm trying to snore. You're being very unfair.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to sleep. Come on.
Okay, I'm sorry. I thought you said
Really, it's nice.
I'm sorry, honey. Okay, good night.
Good night.
I love you. Have a good night's sleep. Want me to sleep with you?
No.
Why not?
Because you snore.
I love you.
Get out of here, John.
Night, night.